Hi friends, welcome to Trend Tech. This is Mahinder, and today we are going to learn about try, catch and final keywords, and after that we are going to take the screenshot of an UI element and UI screen. So how can we able to do that one? Let's go and deep dive into this video and you will get to know how to use them. So what do you mean by try? Try means you need to try something. So in the same way, try is a statement you need to define some block of code which you want to execute, and catch statement will the catch statement is the one which is going to handle those errors. If you get any errors in the try, in catch you are going to handle. So and coming to the final keyword, so whether we got any error in the try one, or if we don't get any error in the try, and if we get any error it will go to the catch, or else if you don't get any error in the try, it will execute the final keyword. With respect or without respect to the error, it will execute the final keyword. So let me explain with the example. Okay, so let me create a method first. Public void test1, and let me assign that method as test. Okay, under that let me create try catch statements. Okay, try catch. Okay. Yeah. So I have written try keyword and catch keyword, and in the earlier sessions we have created multiple, right? And let me write the exception which is coming in the try one. For that one, console.writeLine. Okay, and final keyword. Finally, if anything happen or nothing happen in the try or catch, it will execute the final keyword. Okay, so this is the syntax of try, catch and final one. And in the previous session we have let me copy this code and I will explain you what I am going to do now. So I am going to open in Chrome browser and drive to the facebook.com and click on create new one. Okay, and after that I am going to select the month from the date of the birth, and after that I am going to close it. Okay, this is the statement which is going to happen in the try block. So this is a block of code. You can take this as a block of code. Let me give this as public so that we can able to access in all the methods, and public as a driver element object. Okay, I am closing this driver, and so any error which is going to come, it will write over here console.run, and anything happen in this or not, it will not going to close the browser, right? I am going to give the driver.close in the final keyword. So first this try will execute. If we get any error, it will go to this one, and after that it will close the browser. If this try block executed successfully, and it will execute the final block also. Okay. So one more is there. If try block executed successfully, right, then driver will be already closed. In this one you will going to get an error. How to handle that one? So if driver not equal to null, okay, this driver, web driver, if it is not equal to null, then only you need to execute driver.quit. Okay, because if you execute it right without writing this statement, you will get an error in the final also. Because if there is no error in the try one, then it will execute no error in the try one, it will close the browser, right? And again it is going to try to close the browser in the final one, so you are going to get the error in this one. So let me clean the solution and build the solution. Okay, I am going to clean the solution now. Cleaning has started and cleaning is in progress, and cleaning is done. So once the cleaning is done, let me build the solution, rebuild the solution. Okay, for 1-2 minutes it will take time, and once after it is done, okay, still it is in progress and ready. Okay, now let's go to the text explorer, and in under the on text you can able to find our method. Okay, this is in the this class. Let me run this. So for this time it will execute the try, and we are find all the elements, so this will execute successfully, and it select the merge and it will close it. So now what happened is that it executed this one and closed the browser, and after that it will execute this one, and the driver is already closed, right? So driver is not equal to none, so there is no need of running this one, and the final statement will execute successfully. And let me comment this one. Okay, yeah, let me comment this one, and this time you are going to see one error. Okay, so what will happen this time? It will execute the code and it will not able to find this element. Okay, let me comment this line. Okay, and before that one, let me, okay, and this will not going to find this element, right? Driver dot element, and okay, this time let me clean the solution and build the solution. Okay, rebuild is also done successfully, and if this time I am going to execute, it will throw an error like element not found such exception. Element not found such exception. Okay. See, so yeah, after you are getting the error also, it is passing because you are not throwing that exception. So we need to throw the exception in the catch statement. So I'm going to throw that exception also. This time let me clean the solution and build the solution again. Rebuild the solution, and rebuild is done. Now this time if I execute this one, right, so this time you are going to get the error in that error message. It will open the Facebook page and search for the create new one, and it will not able to find that create new one, and you are going to get the OpenQA no such element found exception. Okay, got it? So this is how the standard output has been written, and this is the trace one. Okay, you can also capture the trace one also using e dot stack trace. Okay, like this you can able to capture the stack trace also. It will write the stack trace element over there. So now we are good with the try, catch and final exception. I think you hope you understood about this try, catch and final exception. And if you have any doubt, just please comment in the YouTube link and I will reply back to you. So now when you get any error, right, you need to take a screenshot of that error, because if you would like to investigate where that error came from and from which element it is not able to find. Sometimes it is very hard to go through the logs also. For that scenario, you can take the screenshot of that image also. Okay. I am going to uncomment this one and give it a, it is one, create new account. I am changing it to 1, and this driver will not able to find that element because it is named by create new account, and I am changing that one to create new account 1. Okay, and let's take a screenshot of that one. How to take a screenshot? You need to take the screenshot in the exception. I take screenshot. Okay, ts equal to driver. So we need to pass what the driver as a input. Driver as a ITakesScreenshot. ITakesScreenshot is an interface which is there in C# language. Okay, and after taking the interface drivers into that, and now what do we need to take the screenshot of that image? Screenshot. I am creating an object of screenshot class, like screen equal to new screenshot, and after that I'm closing that one. And what do we need to do? We need to save that one. So screen dot save as file, and in which format you would like to save. So that is what you need to define in that one. So for that one I am going to give the file path name over here. I have created a folder with screenshot, and I am going to give the full path over here, and I am going to give some name like screenshot 1 dot png. Okay, and after that you need to define the screenshot format also. Screenshot image format as png. Okay, I am giving the image format as png and close this statement. After closing this statement, what this will do, this will capture the screenshot, and why we are creating a class, right? We don't need to create a object. We need to pass that I take screenshot as an object, and take a screenshot of that one and close this one, and this will going to take screenshot and paste it in this location, in which format? In png format. For that one, let me clean the solution and let me rebuild the solution, and after that let me run this test. Okay, this time then what will happen? Yeah, this time you are not going to get any screen. Yeah, you are going to get any screenshot because this element is not there. Okay. Why it is taking too much time? I think we have little code, so this time it will take screenshot. Why? Because we are not able to view this create new account. We are able to see that screenshot image also been captured. Let me go to that path and let me open this one. Okay, why it is blank? Okay, we should have some data in there. Okay, after going to that one, let me give some wait time. It is taking the screenshot just before that one. Okay, so after that it will going to try to search this one, and let me rebuild the solution again. and let's run this again. So now if I go to that location, if I open this one, see, so this time you are getting that create new account is not formed, and you are able to see the Facebook screen. So we are good with this, and hope you understood try, catch and final, and take a screenshot of an image. So please do like, share, subscribe to Trend Tech for many more videos.